If you keep asking how to maintain weight loss after OMAD, you have not learned how to properly lose weight. You have not learned how to diet. So we are gonna go back to learning how to diet. Dieting is basically the process of manipulating the scale to your needs. That can mean bringing the scale down, as people usually think of dieting, or bringing the scale up, or maintaining your weight loss. Here are 3 things you need to do consistently in order to maintain weight loss after any diet. It doesn't have to just be OMAD. Number 1, weigh yourself daily. You need to know what your weight is at. If you're not weighing yourself daily, how do you expect to maintain weight loss? This is going to give you information that leads into number 2, weight log. Make sure you are logging your weight daily. Log your weight daily to understand the trends, which leads me to probably the most important thing, tip number 3, count your calories. In order to maintain weight loss, you need to count your calories and you need to understand how the calories you consume affect the scale. It's all about scale feedback. At the end of the day, maintaining weight loss is about scale feedback. It's about weighing yourself daily and beside your weight, putting the calories you consume, and you can maybe have a 3rd column to put notes being like, well, I exercised a lot this day, or I fasted for this amount of time this day, or I didn't get enough sleep, or my period started if you're a woman. Just so you know what factors influence the weight log. While you're losing weight, you should be throwing in maintenance days. You should be throwing in maintenance weeks. Heck, you should be throwing in maintenance months. In order to learn how to maintain weight, you gotta practice, and it's best to practice during your weight loss journey. Too many people know how to lose weight. Too many people know how to gain weight, but nobody knows how to maintain weight. And if you're asking the question of maintaining weight, then you have not learned how to lose weight properly. OMAD, you use OMAD as a tool to understand dieting. That's why I promoted OMAD in the past. OMAD is scale friendly, and the way I do OMAD is that I weigh myself daily. I have a weight log and I count my calories now for the most part. I was promoting not calorie counting for the 23-1. However, count your calories. You can throw in non-calorie counting days as a cheat day, but you best make sure you're having that meal within a 30-minute to hour eating window. But if you're serious about weight loss, you need to count your calories consistently. If you stop counting your calories and you stop weighing yourself, guess what? You're gonna gain weight because you're gonna default to the old habits that got you to your starting weight. So in order to maintain your weight loss, you need to be aware of what you're doing. You need to be aware of what you're eating. You need to be able to portion control. Does that mean you're never gonna be able to have that piece of cake or go out with your friends and drink like a queen? No. You can definitely have days and be flexible with it. That's where the weight log comes in. If you are consistent with your routine more than you're not consistent, then you will be successful in maintaining your weight loss journey. What do I mean? I mean, if you're eating properly or health consciously or portion controlling throughout the week and you go out Saturday, that should not do anything to the scale as long as you are understanding the scale feedback. Now, if you go out Saturday and the scale goes up a couple pounds, guess what you do? Throw in an OMAD the next day. You can still use OMAD after OMAD. It's about flexible dieting. OMAD's just a tool. You can lose weight through any method. You can lose weight through counting your calories throughout the day and eating small snack size meals throughout the day. You can do it through keto. At the end of the day, as long as you're in a calorie deficit, everything is about a hack of keeping you in a calories deficit. Keto is just a hack to keep you in a calorie deficit. Why? Because when you eat ketogenic macros, the real ketogenic macros, 80% fat, 20% protein, sparing carbs, it's really hard to overeat because you are having tons of fat and it keeps you nice and satiated. OMAD is just a hack to keep you in a calorie deficit because you're consuming your meal within a half an hour eating window. This is how my maintenance period is gonna look post OMAD. I'm gonna be counting my calories. I will be counting my calories on a daily basis. Now, if I wanna have a cheat day or a treat day, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do an OMAD fast. I'm either gonna fast for 20 hours, but to really ensure weight loss or maintaining weight, I might fast for 23 hours, and then eat whatever I want within an hour eating window. Then I see what the scale does the next day. If the scale stays the same, that's great. I go back to my routine of counting my calories and eating the meals I want to eat. If the scale goes up, then okay, I need to eat a little bit less. It's all about scale feedback. The scale goes up, eat less. The scale goes down too quickly, eat a little more. That's all it is. It's all about eating less. That's how you maintain weight. Don't think of it as a prison sentence. If you're coming at this with the wrong mindset, then you are just going to not be able to keep the weight off. You're gonna be like, well, this is a loss, well, I wanna live my life. I hate when people say that. I wanna live my life. Is living your life being obese and uncomfortable? Is that living your life? Then live your life if you think that's living your life. But to me, living my life is being in control of the amount of food I put in my mouth. It's not letting food control me, but being in control of that. Is me having the self-discipline and the self-esteem and self-love to show up for myself, where I'm not ballooning to like 300 pounds like I almost did at the beginning of my weight loss journey. You gotta shift your perspective. What is truly living your life? I wanna be able to go out into a bikini and be confident in my body whenever I want. I wanna be able to diet and know that I can stray off my diet for a night or two and have fun and live my life, as people say. It's all about having the right perspective and the right mindset. If you made it this far into the video, just drop in a bunch of brain emojis. Hope this video helped in terms of maintaining weight, and I will be sending you guys my love. Take care. Bye.